He had a reality distortion field, a force of will that helped him get people to achieve the impossible. Do you know who said these words about whom? A.V. Tavanian, a longtime friend, a software engineer, and a senior technology officer at Apple for quite some time, said these words about Steve Jobs, the former CEO and co founder of Apple. Actually, this is a continuation of Steve Jobs' biography. Though Steve had been acquainted with Walter Isaacson earlier, he met him only in 2004 with the request of writing his biography. But he was strictly turned down by Walter Isaacson because he felt Steve was at the peak of his career at that time and it would not be appropriate to write his biography then. But the saddest thing was Steve was affected by pancreatic neuroendocrine cancer, a rare disease. Had he agreed to have surgery immediately, he would have lived longer with us, but he wanted to get cured by diet and acupuncture. But after it became more serious in a year, he agreed to have surgery. Steve survived and fought for the disease for 8 long years. And in 2009, after he was affected by pancreatic cancer, he survived and fought with the disease for 8 long years. And in 2009, 6 years after he was affected by pancreatic cancer, his wife Lorraine Jobs approached Walter Isaacson with a renewed and earnest request of writing his biography. Having known the physical condition of Steve Jobs, this time Walter Isaacson agreed to write his biography, and it was completed in 2 years. And it was published 19 days after Steve Jobs' death. The Apple products that the world uses today were the dream and vision of Steve Jobs. And there were stories behind every plan that he had made, every failure he had faced, and every rejection he had borne, and the conflicts that he had with his co workers to bring out each model with necessary changes successfully to the world. There is yet another book whose title is I, Steve, written by George Beam, in which he has compiled the quotes of Steve Jobs and arranged chronologically, and he has given the achievements of Steve Jobs also under the title Milestones. The final part of the book has been titled as The End of an Era, which is a letter of resignation of Steve Jobs as the CEO of Apple. You know, if one knows at least a little about Steve Jobs, the letter would move him into tears. Actually, Steve submitted his letter on 24th August 2011, and he died on 5th October in the same year. And the world has lost a good human being for sure.